then just a few dynamic tables, back and forth. Lift if you can. And then lower down, Dandasana, roll the wrists. Great, hands to the sides, pull in the feet, back to the table. This time we're going to extend that outside leg. Lifting the sacrum and lift, extend, pull it in, extend, lift, extend, pull, lift, pull, lift, pull. This is the last one. Pull it in, come to figure four, pull through. Sit down. Woo. Okay. Janu Shashasana. Inhale. And forward. And just if it feels tight because it's still early in class, it might be early in the morning for you. If it feels tight, just go to your edge and breathe. There's no need to try to make anything happen that's not already happening. We just go to our edge and breathe. Coming up, that felt good, to me anyway. Crossing that outside arm to the outside, we're just going to take this little kind of open twist here. So I'm twisting toward my straight leg, yeah? Away from my Baddha Konasana leg. Yep. Great. Okay, other side, into table, extend the leg in on one inside leg, lift, touch, pull, lift, pull, lift. Try to keep the sacrum high. Last one, lift, cross, pull through. Lower. The foot goes right to Janu Shashasana. Okay, inside hand, outside leg is extended, forward fold. Janu Shashasana, head to knee pose. And if you're nice and empty and you're feeling gain, you can press the navel back to the spine on the exhalation. Base of the exhalation, you just squeeze it. That's the Uddiyana. Amazing. Inhale, comes up, feels so good. And then take the twist. So we're twisting towards, and I have my inside hand, I'm going to grab the outside of my straight leg, and then I'm going to twist away. So this time I'm looking away from the camera. Great. Bring it down. Legs come back. Dandasana. Staff pose. And then all that's going to happen, we're just going to scoot the feet, roll over the toes to our very favorite Thai angel.